Just picture a van that has been painted in the dark, and the exterior seems to come from the set of a science fiction movie. Welcome back to the new video of Trend Hub. The 2025 Tesla model van is not just any car. It is likely a peek into what the future of electric mobility looks like. Fearless, fast, and equipped with many stunning technologies, this van can redefine the word van. At the same time, the exterior is incredibly stylish, and it is innovative. The front is very sleek with no sign of a grille to interrupt the sleek frontal look that the designers were keen to come up with. Consequently, there is one continuous LED light bar across it to illuminate the road and simultaneously to provide the van with a science fiction-like and distinguishable appearance. It is not just a styling exercise with designs all over the exterior and interior parts of the aircraft. Everything has been optimized for efficiency to minimize drag to get more from the limited fuel. Case in point, the Tesla model van looks sleek from the side and comes with a promise of elegance and utility. The openness of its glass panels allows for a vast and open feeling on the inside while having a polished contemporary look on the outside. The kinds of doors that slide open when you just wave your hand or say something are so cool. This van is as functional as it can be while maintaining the comfort and opulence of the Weil family motorhome. Architecturally, the novelty extends onto the back and are a perfect twin of these. A powered tailgate allows you to open the cabin and reveal the vast boot space for either an exciting road trip or deliveries. Various levels of connected sensors and cameras help enhance intelligence and its functions for safe and comfortable driving. Superimposed on the design is Tesla's newest electric drivetrain platform, existing in 2 or 3 engine versions. It outperforms traditional vans in a superior manner. With a driving range of up to 500 miles per charge, it is ideal for long-distance travel. Charging a Tesla car, moreover, takes only 15 minutes to add 200 more miles. It starts welcoming you as soon as you catch a glimpse of it for the first time from outside. And folks, welcome to the future right here. The cabin is a piece of contemporary style that provides business-like seats for Auntie in the range of 8 passengers. Luxury, organic fabrics for the better of us all, and comfort to boot. The focal point of the interior remains the traditional Tesla infrastructure, an impressive touchscreen, which governs the climate control as well as the navigation system. Situated with a large glass roof, the interior gives a feeling of being close to the outer environment. The model van is reportedly set to hit the markets at an affordable price that will make the van the perfect choice for families as well as businesses. So from the fuel perspective, the cost of maintenance, and possible tax benefits, it is not just a car, but an investment into the future and more sustainable technology and the future. Indeed, the 2025 Tesla model van is not just a new van. It's a revolution on wheels, rolling out new ideas and efficient flowing structures to the world. Blending stroke technology, design, and performance has never been done before. That's why it seeks to revolutionize transport. Now let the future happen to you.